Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into the new Tool Headz Crate. Now I do know I'm releasing this a little bit later because I've been working and we've been on the road for 3.5 weeks racing, and I just got back last night. So I'm going to go ahead and record this and hopefully get it up as soon as possible. But new Tool Headz Crate, like their slogan says, cheap box, better stuff. If you guys haven't checked out some of my previous Tool Headz Crate videos, go ahead and check those out. And I will have all the information on this linked down in the description for you guys if you're interested. But let's get into it. So this month, I believe this was, if you sign up for the Tool Headz Crate, everybody has the chance to get the golden wrench in their box, and that goes towards one big gift every month, or one big giveaway every month to whoever receives that golden wrench. And I believe that was something from these guys, Motive X Tools. Some pretty cool stuff on here. They have pretty cool little designs on their sockets and stuff to give like better grip on them. They kind of have notches around the sockets and everything. Pretty cool stuff. It kind of reminds me of the way the Sonic tools and then my Boxo tools stuff is kind of laid out. But pretty cool stuff right there. First thing besides that included are a few different shop rags. Red, white, and blue, America. Can never have enough of those. Had this service crate for a few months now, so I'm actually collecting some rags, which is really handy. Alright, and then next up you get a couple packets of the high performance brake lubricant for whenever you do brake jobs. You get an OG Tool Head koozie. Keep your beverage nice and cool and keep your hand from being cold. You get a YouTube certified mechanic decal. Very nice. Next up, you have a couple of smaller brake caliper hooks. These are really handy, so you don't have to use like a coat hanger or wire or anything like that to hold the caliper up out of the way. You can hang it with these hooks. You can hang it up on the spring or anything like that and get it up out of the way. And they are rubber coated, so it doesn't mess anything up or anything like that. Then you get a couple of different brushes here. You get a pocket screwdriver that says Tool Headz Crate. I'm guessing that's magnetic. Yes, indeed. Then you get a Motive X Tools decal or sticker. Then you have a Motive X Tools Tool Head Crate, a little box here. Nice little foam padding in here. And you get their spring-loaded 1/4-inch drive universal joint. And that's kind of the design I was talking about. And they do that on all their sockets and extensions and stuff as well, so you can grab it with your finger and turn it easily. And then it also prevents your sockets and stuff from rolling away when you put it on an uneven surface and stuff. So that's pretty cool. And as you can see here, it is spring loaded, so you don't have to wrap electrical tape around here in order to keep it straight. You can flex it in the direction you want, but it holds it there. It's not flopping around real easily or anything like that. So that's actually a really cool idea. And we'll put this to some use to see how long these springs stay, stiff. And hopefully it works really well. That's a really cool design. I haven't seen that before. So that's a really cool little addition. And then last up, you get the Tool Headz shirt, where it just says Tool Headz, cheap box, better stuff crate. And then on the back, made of wrenches and nuts, you get the American flag. That is pretty awesome. That's probably one of my favorite shirts so far. So that's pretty cool. So that's it for this month's crate service. You get the shirt, the spring-loaded universal joint, the brake caliper hooks, a couple brushes, pocket screwdriver, a couple different decals, the koozie, brake caliper lubricant, and some shop rags, and then obviously the information on more of this Motive X Tools stuff. So I think that's a pretty good month. I really like this t-shirt a lot, and I'm really excited to actually try this little universal joint out, because that's a really cool feature. So let me know your guys' thoughts. All the information will be linked down in the description, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.